Oh, there's something about this boy, man. I don't know. There's just something about Michael Olise that moves me that I cannot put into words, man. He is such a beautiful player to watch, right? For a football purist, this is exactly the type of player you want to see on the pitch, man. I just never expected him to be this good, man, to reach this heights, right? We are seeing a player reach his full potential in real time because the trajectory of Michael Olise in the last 2-3 seasons, ever since he joined Bayern Munich, it has been incredible, Joe. Mbappe is obviously the poster boy for France, but I think this is probably their most important player in that attack, man, because he gives you a bit of everything. He attacks from all dimensions, right? You can put him out wide because he's good with 1v1s. He's deceivingly quick as well. Change of pace, very direct in his attack, but he can also drift in and come inside, which is what we saw in the second half. And that's when he can interpret space for you so well, right? He has a better vision when he's coming in from the middle because he doesn't necessarily have to do the 1v1, to do the running and beating the defenders. He can just pick a pass, right? You make the movement for him, he will find you. And Mbappe stands to benefit a great deal with this guy playing in behind him, man. He actually got both the assists for those 2 goals. The second one, it was just individual brilliance from Mbappe. But that pass, believe it or not, it came from Michael Olise also. Yo, I can spend hours talking about this guy, but where do we put him amongst the best players in the world, right? Because the difficult situation this season in particular is that we have 2 or 3 contenders possibly for a Ballon d'Or playing for France during a World Cup year. But guys, in terms of merit and merit alone, I think this guy has been the best player in the world this year, bruh. Hands down. Michael Olise. Oh, boy.